A prednisone warrior asks, why do I experience fluctuating energy levels and wooziness on prednisone, especially at higher doses? I'm Dr. Megan, your prednisone pharmacist, and I'm going to help answer that question. First, we'll talk about, is this normal? And if so, why is prednisone causing it? And then some tips of what you can do to minimize this side effect so that I can fulfill my goal as a prednisone pharmacist to help you not just survive prednisone, but thrive while taking prednisone. So if you've ever felt like your energy is all over the place, or experienced a dizziness or feeling off after taking prednisone, you're not alone. So to understand why prednisone is causing energy level fluctuations and wooziness, we've got to understand what prednisone is doing to your body. When we take prednisone, we are replacing our body's naturally occurring hormone called cortisol. Cortisol is our natural stress hormone that Mother Nature created to help us deal with disasters. Cortisol is normally produced by your adrenal glands and helps with regulating energy levels, blood pressure, blood sugar, and your overall body's response to stress. The thing is that while prednisone mimics cortisol, it's much stronger, and especially when your doctor's prescribing high doses, it's 10 or even 100 times more than your body would naturally have. So those normal experiences with cortisol are amplified and leading to that side effect of wooziness and energy disruptions. Normally, cortisol is like a sunrise in your body. It slowly gets to about sunrise time, and that's when your body releases it. And then as the day goes by, you get less and less in your blood till finally around bedtime, it goes to very low or even zero in some people. And normally that's a nice steady rhythm. But when you take prednisone, it's more like this and it drops off faster. It's super high off the charts, and then it's dropping off maybe faster than cortisol normally would in your own body. So that first moment after taking it, you might feel really high energy. You might feel jittery. You might feel anxious, nervous. You might feel euphoric, young again, lots of energy. And then later on throughout the day, you may feel an energy crash and feel off and woozy and yucky. So what is prednisone doing to your body that might be explaining this? First, prednisone and the entire class of drugs are called glucocorticoids, meaning glucose and blood sugar. They affect what your body is doing with blood sugar. And so when you're at a really high dose, it might lead to a lot of blood sugar release. That might make you feel weird, jittery, woozy, and have like high energy or just a weird feeling. Then that leads to a crash when your blood sugar wears off. This roller coaster effect of your blood glucose is not a pleasant feeling, and you might feel lightheaded or fatigued. Second, prednisone disrupts sleep patterns, and poor sleep can lead you to feeling exhausted during the day. That maybe when you first wake up, you've got that more wired feeling, but eventually you're going to hit a wall from so much lack of sleep caused by the prednisone. The higher the dose of prednisone, usually the worse sleep you get. And so maybe you're actually sleeping, but not getting restful sleep at night. Or maybe you're more like me and many other people who tweet about this number one tweeted side effect of insomnia, that you just have a really hard time getting sleep at all while in prednisone high doses. Third, prednisone is leading to an electrolyte imbalance. Normally you have potassium and sodium in a really gentle balance, but when you take prednisone, and especially high doses, it's telling your kidneys to change this. It's telling your kidneys to hold on to sodium and to excrete potassium in your urine, and that can make you hold on to water to balance out the sodium, leading to water weight gain and blood pressure changes. So you might have higher blood pressure. It can also lead to electrolyte imbalances that make you feel muscle weakness, fatigue, and wooziness. And finally, prednisone is affecting your adrenal system. Your adrenal system is that cortisol system, and it's being suppressed by the prednisone. And when it can't do its job, then it has a hard time managing your energy, blood sugar, blood pressure, and electrolytes. So how can you feel better while on prednisone to minimize the wooziness and energy fluctuations? The first thing you can do is to stabilize your blood sugar. Do what you can to minimize the impact of blood sugar changes while taking prednisone. And that means eating a diet that is balanced with fat, sugar, and protein. You never want to eat a meal that is just straight carbs while on prednisone. You want to balance it with protein and fat so that there aren't such dramatic fluctuations of your blood sugar. Eating smaller, frequent meals can help avoid spikes and just kind of keep it steady. In addition, prednisone is stealing chromium from your body. And so replenishing chromium can help insulin, blood sugar to do their job and have less fluctuations, and can even reverse diabetes caused by prednisone. So you can supplement with chromium picolinate to help stabilize your blood sugars. Next, you can replenish electrolytes. I mentioned prednisone's making you pee out that potassium, so eating a diet rich in potassium makes a lot of sense. That mostly means eating lots of fruits and vegetables. Bananas, avocados, spinach, and sweet potatoes can give back that potassium that you're wasting. And staying hydrated can help minimize dizziness and wooziness that may come from blood pressure changes. Next, time your dose wisely. Some people wonder when to take prednisone, and the best time is generally first thing in the morning to mimic how prednisone is replacing cortisol. How cortisol is usually first thing in the morning at sunrise. This can minimize energy crashes later in the day. Avoid late doses. Avoid taking it at bedtime unless you need it for your condition for a reason. Some nutrients that prednisone steals that you could replenish that help with energy and keeping stable energy include magnesium and B vitamins. So you could replenish those too. Sometimes you need to contact your doctor though if this is getting out of control. If you're having severe dizziness or fainting spells, or your energy levels get really low or are out of control high with emotional changes, then definitely let your doctor know, because there are things your doctor can do with other therapies to help you feel better. So fluctuating energy levels and wooziness can be a side effect of taking prednisone, but there are things you can do like taking magnesium, B vitamins, having good lifestyle changes with eating good food and sleeping well. And if you want a good source of those nutrients I've mentioned, I've got Nutrinizone. I created this for people on prednisone. It's the first and only supplement for you, for your needs. It's got the magnesium, B vitamins, chromium picolinate to help you keep stable blood sugars, get restful sleep at night in the bedtime bottle, and to have the energy levels that you really need while on prednisone. You just take 2 in the morning and 2 at bedtime, and it'll help you feel like yourself again. So you just go to Nutrinized.com or Amazon.com to get this today. It's all you need while taking prednisone. Signing off is Dr. Megan, your prednisone pharmacist.